In this tutorial, we will learn how to auto-post from any website without the need for RSS feeds. Here is an example site in the French language that does not offer any RSS feed to post from. Under the WordPress Automatic Plugin menu, click New Campaign. Copy the item's list URL. Paste the copied link. Here you can find the extraction method for the post links. The easiest method is the visual selector. Click this button. Select the first post link from the list. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. A new post got added successfully. You can run the campaign as many times as you like, or set the update interval for the plugin to add a new post every update interval automatically. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.